Let me ask you something. Do you sometimes feel like you know what you want to say in English, but you only know the most basic way to say it? Today, we're going to fix that. In this video, I'll show you 50 everyday expressions from beginner to advanced. You'll see how the same idea can be said 3 different ways. Simple, natural, and fluent. By the end, you'll not only know the basics, but also the confident, advanced versions that native speakers use every day. And stick around, I'll quiz you and review along the way so you don't forget. Ready? Let's go. I'm tired. I'm really exhausted. I'm completely drained. I'm running on fumes. I'm hungry. I'm starving. I could eat a horse. Say it. I could eat a horse. It's easy. It's really simple. It's a piece of cake. It's difficult. It's really challenging. It's a tough nut to crack. I'm happy. I'm really glad. I'm over the moon. Okay, quick review. Say these with me. Running on fumes. Eat a horse. Piece of cake. Tough nuts to crack. Over the moon. Amazing. You're already sounding more natural. I'm sad. I'm upset. I'm feeling really down in the dumps. I'm angry. I'm annoyed. I'm absolutely furious. I'm cold. I'm freezing. I'm frozen to the bone. I'm hot. I'm sweating a lot. I'm boiling. I'm roasting. I'm surprised. That's unexpected. I'm completely shocked. That blew my mind. Quick check. Can you remember the advanced versions? Down in the dumps. Absolutely furious. Frozen to the bone. I'm roasting. That blew my mind. Good. These are the ones natives actually use. I'm bored. I don't have anything to do. I'm bored out of my mind. I'm scared. I'm a little frightened. I'm terrified. That scared the life out of me. I'm busy. I'm really occupied. I'm swamped with work. He's rich. He has a lot of money. He's loaded. He's filthy rich. I'm poor. I don't have much money. I'm broke. Okay, let's repeat the advanced ones. Bored out of my mind. Scared the life out of me. Swamped with work. Filthy rich. I'm broke. That's fantastic. He runs fast. He's quick. He's lightning fast. It's slow. It's not very quick. It's at a snail's pace. That's good. That's nice. That's fantastic. That's brilliant. That's bad. That's not good. That's terrible. That's awful. It's expensive. It costs a lot. It costs an arm and a leg. Okay, now say these advanced ones out loud. Lightning fast. Snail's pace. Brilliant. Awful. Costs an arm and a leg. That's amazing progress. It's cheap. It doesn't cost much. It's dirt cheap. He's smart. He's intelligent. He's a real brainiac. That's stupid. That's silly. That's ridiculous. That's absurd. It's interesting. It's really engaging. It's fascinating. It's important. It really matters. It's absolutely essential. Now, say them with me. Dirt cheap. Brainiac. Ridiculous. Fascinating. Absolutely essential. Fantastic. Your English is leveling up. It's not important. It doesn't matter much. It's trivial. It's insignificant. She's beautiful. She's very pretty. She's stunning. She's gorgeous. That's ugly. That doesn't look nice. That's hideous. It's small. It's tiny. It's minuscule. It's big. It's large. It's enormous. It's gigantic. Now repeat all the advanced ones after me. Trivial, stunning, hideous, minuscule, enormous. You're killing it. Let's keep going. It's tasty. It's delicious. It's mouth-watering. It's disgusting. It doesn't taste good. It's revolting. It's funny. It's really amusing. It's hilarious. It's boring. It's not exciting. It's dull. It's monotonous. It's dangerous. It's risky. It's life-threatening. Okay, let's try these again out loud. Mouth-watering. Revolting. Hilarious. Monotonous. Life-threatening. Amazing. You're learning words most learners never use. It's safe. It's secure. It's completely harmless. It's healthy. It's good for you. It's nourishing. It's beneficial. I'm sick. I'm not feeling well. I'm under the weather. I'm tired of this. I don't like this anymore. I'm fed up with this. I'm excited. I'm really looking forward to it. I'm thrilled. Okay, let's look at those advanced phrases again. Harmless, beneficial, under the weather, fed up with, thrilled. Excellent. You're sounding fluent already. I'm nervous. I'm worried. I've got butterflies in my stomach. I'm confident. I believe in myself. I'm full of confidence. I'm lucky. I'm fortunate. I've hit the jackpot. I'm unlucky. I have bad luck. I can't catch a break. It was busy. It was very crowded. It was packed to the brim. Okay, say these advanced sentences with me. Butterflies in my stomach. Full of confidence. Hit the jackpot. Can't catch a break. Packed to the brim. Perfect. It's empty. There's nothing there. It's completely deserted. I'm tired of studying. My brain is tired. I'm mentally drained. I'm confused. I don't understand. I'm puzzled. I'm baffled. I'm sure. I'm certain. I'm absolutely convinced. I'm not sure. I don't know for certain. I'm doubtful. I'm uncertain. Okay, one final quick recap. Repeat with me. Deserted, mentally drained, baffled, absolutely convinced, doubtful. Excellent work. Wow, you just learned 50 expressions, each with beginner, intermediate, and advanced versions. That's 150 ways to sound more natural in English. Now here's the important part. Don't just watch this video. Use these expressions when you speak. Try one or two every day. That's how you'll sound fluent and confident. Which expression was your favorite today? Tell me in the comments section. I'd love to hear from you. If you found this lesson helpful, hit the like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Learn English Hub for more fun and practical English lessons. Amazing job today. You're not just learning English, you're learning to speak it confidently. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.